Hello students, today we are going to discuss the question answers of the poem The Ball Poem. So let us start. Question number 1. What message does John Berryman want to convey through this poem? The message that the poet wants to convey is the importance of loss and responsibility in life. We should not forget the importance of possessions. Question number 2. How does the boy feel at the loss of his ball? Answer. The boy is very much troubled at the loss of his ball. His ball falls in water. He is much upset as he has a long association with the ball. Question number 3. Money is external. What does the poet mean by this expression? Answer. He makes the boy understand about his responsibility as the loss is immaterial. He can purchase another ball. He explained that the world is full of possessions and money is an external item. Now the textbook questions and answers. Question number 1. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Answer. The poet wants the boy to experience the loss. He should learn that it is the part of life. That's why the poet doesn't want to interfere the boy and doesn't want to offer him money to buy another ball. Question number 2. Staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Answer. Yes. The boy has had the ball for a long time, since his childhood. Yes, it is linked with the memories of days when he played with it. Question number 3. What does in the world of possessions mean? Answer. In the world of possessions means people like to possess all sorts of things in the world. Money is external because it can buy only material objects. It cannot buy everything that one loses. Question number 4. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. Answer. No. The boy hasn't lost anything earlier. The words he senses first responsibility suggest the answer. Question number 5. What does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Try to explain this in your own words. Answer. The poet says that the boy is learning to cope up with the loss of the ball. He is experiencing grief and learning to grow up in this world of possessions. He learns that there are so many things in life that are to be lost and cannot be brought back. It is useless to feel sorrow for it. And question number 6. Have you ever lost something you liked very much? Write a paragraph describing how you felt then and saying whether and how you got over your loss. And a student should write the answer of this question in his or her own words and submit online to me. This is the homework assignment. Have you ever lost something you liked very much? Write a paragraph describing how you felt then and saying whether and how you got over your loss. Thank you.